10 cities would be 10 minus 1 factorial, which is 362,880 circuits. So that's a lot. Let's try 13 cities. That's going to be 479,001,600 circuits. So I'm never going to ask you to solve the traveling salesman problem for 13 cities. So even if you cut this number in half, because half of the routes are the same, just the opposite direction, that's still way too many routes to calculate. And that's actually the reason why the traveling salesman problem is so famous, because as you increase to 100 or 1,000 cities, it takes even a supercomputer years to solve. And this is because we have to calculate all of the options. The math community cannot find a strategic way to solve this without actually calculating all of the circuits. And we can't prove that there isn't a strategic way. So if you do find a strategic way, the Clay Mathematics Institute will give you $1 million.